Hey OJ here. It's coffee time, but then it's always coffee time, right? Well, I think so anyways. So we're gonna just take a little walk along the river there. Just kinda show you the fall colors, and I'm gonna do one today, and I'm gonna maybe skip a few days, and then I'll do it again, and then maybe I'll skip a couple days and do it again. We'll see how it goes. But that way you can see from one day to another day how quickly the leaves change color. And it's nice and calm out here, so won't have any wind noise like the other day, but I think it'll be much better. We're getting, I think we're going to try to get better at cutting this wind noise out and stuff. Anyways, hope you like it. View I get to see every day. See the colors up there, and then you get to see the colors on the water there. Just can't get enough of this. I know, you guys probably do, but my YouTube channel.
As long as we like watching them. That's all that matters.
Oh, did you hear that?
There it is.
A random eagle.
Can't see it though.
I think you'd like it if I whip the camera way up and, oh, there he is. Oh, but whatever.
Maybe he'll come closer.
If
There's their nest
right up in there. We were up there, boy, he didn't like us over there at all.
No,
Screeching.
do you think I could get the camera working to get a picture of them? No.
No. So if the water freezes when it's nice and calm like this, makes it for an awesome skating rink. Last year, the year before, we had pathways all the way down the river.
I just stepped on a frog. Oh.
In case you don't know, no, my wife doesn't like the frogs and snakes, salamanders, creepy crawly.
Or amphibian, or I'll take spiders and mice and stuff. And there's another one. And a butterfly.
And a butterfly. Random butterfly.
Random butterfly. No eagle.
No eagle. No eagle and my wife screaming. All the wildlife.
We're just about back where we started.
Yeah. A little higher up, but yeah. Just in case you guys want some burrs, there you go. Jump in. And the deer will just swim across the river here. Just like nothing. Anyway, there's day one. It would be nice if we had a mowed path all along the river. Maybe that's my retirement job. Making a pathway.
Maybe. Making your own pathways to walk around here.
Anyways, hope you enjoy that. And
Be
we'll
back
do
in a
enough.
day or
We've got a
two.
day or two. We'll do it again.
River's pretty still today.
Yeah.
Some pretty reflections there.
Yeah, it never gets old.
More color every day.
Yeah, it's. Trip and fall and break my neck here.
Just don't fall in the river.
No. Though I could probably walk across there.
You want to find out?
No. Not too badly. I like the reds that reflect in the water there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a goose poop down here.
Always.
Not as much as this year as last year was worse.
Yeah.
Millie and Willie only had a couple.
Yeah, we didn't have as many geese this year. That's red over there.
Yeah.
One of these days we'll get a big wind.
And they'll be all gone. As long as we just get the big wind, don't get the big snowstorm. There. It's a beautiful day. It's hot today. Anyways, until the next one. Well, not very sunny today, but
Colors look brighter when it's not sunny.
Yeah.
They don't get so washed out.
Yeah.
A couple days later.
We're also trying a new mic system out here. Yeah, we both have a mic on, so we're going to see after this we actually both pick up on it.
So I guess that means we have to talk. If you
I
want.
guess we have to talk. No.
Well, it's a lovely October 1st day.
Yeah, I guess it is.
See the pretty
October
yellow
1st.
reflection in the water down there? Well,
Yeah.
maybe not through these weeds, but
Yeah.
they're coming up, and the red is reflecting nicely too.
Yeah.
I was reading a comment from someone else had posted about our fall colors, and they said, "Oh, Manitoba's so boring. Other places have nicer colors." I like our yellows. We don't have as much red as some places, but yellow and orange and a little bit of red.
I guess if they don't like it, they can move back east, I guess.
Even the reeds on the side are looking pretty.
Yeah. Well, it's supposed to be 17 today, but it only got up to 12 or 13, I think.
Yep. Little chilly.
A little chilly, yeah.
Sweater weather.
Don't sweat as much, I guess.
That is true. Reflections are so pretty. My favorite part is the reflection on the water. Another day of changing colors. We still have lots of green.
Well, we're October 6th. There's a duck over in the water there. And it started out like a little bit of rain / snow, and then it starts snowing. Look at October 6th. So I just was home from coffee, and it started to snow. So I figured, well, this would make a great ending. Look at that blue sky over there. Only in Manitoba. Wait 15 minutes. Could be suntanning in a little bit. So here we are, October 8th. It's a little breezy this morning, and we've had some cold days, as you see in the last clip with the snow, and -7, -8 the other day. And well, as you can see, leaves are going fast. The one up by the cenotaph on Main Street, I just looked this morning when I was downtown, gone. Not a leaf, not one leaf left on there. And you can see all the leaves have gone. And hope you enjoy all this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That's sort of like diligently. Anyways, give us a thumbs up and follow along on this crazy journey we're on. Bye for now.